Welcome to episode 2 of Spilling the Tea. My name is Tisha Doriana, and I help passionate and driven network marketers better connect with their audience through social media, all within a loose leaf tea and wellness company. I post a new video each and every Wednesday to my Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube channel, so make sure you guys tune in. So on the agenda today, we are going to be talking about what to look out for when considering a network marketing company. People are asking, what is the best company out there to join? And right now, people are seeking those opportunities. People are looking for that flexibility and things that they can do from home. And so the truth is, there is not a best company out there. There is not a worst company out there. What it totally depends on is what you are looking for to get out of the business. So I am going to give you my top 5 tips of things that you should be looking for in a direct selling company when you are considering signing up or joining. Maybe you are with a company right now and you're just unsure of if it's the right one for you. Or maybe you haven't even tried network marketing before and you're wondering, is this something for me? Which one should I go with? So I'm going to tell you a few things to look out for. So the first thing you want to look out for in a network marketing company is the comp plan. And so obviously the best comp plan is one that you can actually make an income with. Duh. But here's the thing. A lot of comp plans, they're very different. They can be weighed more towards recruiting, or they could be weighed more towards sales, or you might get an even selection of both. So here's the thing. Think about it. Is the company focused on you signing up your mom, your brother, your sister, your dog? Like, I'm so serious. There's companies out there that want you to sign up your entire family and your dog, which is kind of weird in my opinion. But is it focused on that, or is it focused on people who actually want to do the business? So you want to make sure when you are looking at one, where is that percentage weighted? Is it weighted to recruiting, or is it weighted towards the sales? Are you still going to be able to make money if you're just selling? Because a lot of people come into network marketing companies not really looking to recruit, not looking to sponsor. And so you want to make sure that it's kind of an even balance of both, maybe even weighted more towards sales, in my opinion. So that's the first thing that I would say you need to look out for. The second thing that you want to look out for is if it's a non-saturated market or not. So what that basically means, a saturated market is like everyone in your community is selling it, it's saturated, everyone knows about it. But sometimes these companies are much more stable because they've been around longer, okay? Now, if you're going with a non-saturated market, a lot of the times people in network marketing will describe this as a ground floor opportunity, okay? So ground floor opportunity sounds really, really great, but here's something you want to make sure of. Is it a ground floor opportunity that is stable? Because there's new network marketing companies that appear every single year and then quickly go out of business because they cannot maintain it. They're not stable. Another good thing when you have a non-saturated market is that you can begin with a larger customer base and start making a substantial income right off the bat. When I started in the company that I am with, mine was a ground floor opportunity, but we have actually some really great substantial investors, and it's just social proof that our business is, or our company is growing and it's remaining stable. So with that being said, when I introduced my company to my community, literally no one had heard about it before. So I started off with a huge customer base and I was able to grow from there. However, it's not a big deal if you have people in your area that are selling it too, because keep in mind, when you're growing your business through social media, you have that opportunity to explore however your company is. If you're able to sell and sponsor, worldwide, global, you have a huge opportunity for growth. If your company is just within, one country, like for me, I can sell all within Canada, but thank God, actually, it is not saturated at all. So there's so much room for growth there. But you can start selling, anywhere, and growing that through social media is huge. Number 3 is no auto ship on products unless the customers clearly know. Okay, so customers absolutely hate when they are charged for something that they are not aware of. Or when you sign up for something and you think, it's done, I signed up, and then next month you get a charge on your card. That is so upsetting for the customer, and it's so upsetting for the consultant. So I definitely do not recommend getting into something like that unless you are clearly, obviously telling them, listen, you're gonna get charged every month for this. But I like to stay away from auto ships unless the customers clearly know. Number 4 is substantial investors. If you are looking at a relatively new company, possibly a ground floor opportunity, it's really, really good if you know some investors, some big investors that have invested in this company, because that is social proof that you can go into this and it's going to be a stable business where you can possibly make a long-term residual income with the company. As I said earlier, there's a lot of ground floor opportunities that obviously begin and then quickly go out of business. So that's why having substantial investors is something that is pretty huge that could provide that social proof for your company, so you can ensure that this is a company that isn't going to go out of business and is going to remain stable if you're planning on doing this long term. The 5th thing to look out for is if the company is welcoming and if it is a good fit for you. So you should probably look for a company that is supportive, a company that is uplifting, and a company that has a positive community. And another thing you should really consider is, are you passionate about these products, or are you just selling because you need to make money? Because it's super important to find something that you can get behind, whether that's the product or the service. Find something that you can get behind, find something that you are passionate about, because purpose fuels passion. And if you don't have that purpose, if you don't have that reason, that why for why you were selling what you were selling, then you're not going to do very well in that business. And that's the T. It's literally the T. Like, you need to love what you're doing. And there's so many times where I see people who are selling something to me and I could just tell it's like, I don't ever see pictures of you using this stuff yourself. And it's really huge when you are able to go on social media and you're posting pictures every day of you using this stuff, or you're showing how passionate you are about helping other people by using these products. So make sure it's a good fit for you, and that's the most important part. Because one thing I will say is many people will join direct sales to make an extra income. Although I know there's other reasons people join, but that is the main one, is to make extra income. But if people come in there and they're not having fun and, they're not passionate about it, they're gonna leave. Because the main reason people stay is because they're having fun, because they have, that community that's positive, uplifting, empowering. So make sure whatever you do, you have to make sure it's a good fit for you and that it is a welcoming environment. So that concludes today's episode. I wish you all nothing but the best of success when picking out a network marketing company. And if you guys have any more tips for what to look out for when choosing a network marketing company, leave it in the comments below so I can add that to my list as well. So thank you all so much for watching. I hope you guys tune in next week on Wednesday for another episode of Spilling the Tea. You can follow me on all my platforms. I got Instagram, Facebook, and right here on YouTube. My name is Tisha Doriana across all the platforms. And if you want to stay updated on my upcoming content and receive some extra resources and tips from me, make sure you subscribe to my weekly newsletter. The link will be in the description of this video, or if you're watching on Instagram, it'll be in the link in my bio. So thanks again for watching, guys, and we'll see you next week. Bye.